What's the meaning of confute? Confute. Confute.
Confute. Confute. The word confute means to prove someone or something to be false or wrong through argument or evidence. When someone is confuted, their claims or arguments are shown to be incorrect or illogical, often leading to their defeat in a debate or discussion. Confuting involves carefully examining the evidence and logic behind a claim and demonstrating its flaws or inconsistencies. It can be a powerful tool in exposing falsehoods and advancing knowledge and understanding by correcting misconceptions and errors.